Hey guys, today is September the 12th of 2013, and I just want to go over a quick video before the US session starts. I got stopped out last night, I guess about 1ish. I wanted to show you this. This is my Andrews pitchfork angle right here, and this is monthly if you're new to the videos. And this is where we at right here. This is the action. We're trying to stay above this angle, but we're having a tough time. I want to show you. I got in. Show you what's going on. 32, like 32.83, somewhere around here. I got in when it broke this level right here, and thinking was gonna go higher, but late at night I was watching this move right here. So that it was finding support and it found this and it was bouncing and it was just kind of trending sideways. So I was thinking to myself before I went to sleep, that was kind of like around, I think around this time around here. So I'm just going to put a stop over here at 33.04 just in case it doesn't work out. And if it gets my stop and goes up, then at least I didn't lose. Got in the red when I was in the green. So I got a little something, but and the reason why I did that is because this is that angle, that big angle. Euro's trying to stay above here to be in an upward trend. And I think this is the line in the sand. Because if it can't stay above this angle, which is this price range around here, like 32.92 around there, it's gonna go down. So and since I know this is going to be volatile right here because it's between the bears and the bulls now, where we're gonna like go higher or we're gonna go lower. So everybody's having their own opinions and their own thoughts on where this thing is gonna go. But this is the line in the sand, so this is where it's gonna get really wild. So thinking that last night, I was like, you know what? I saw that it kind of set a here base and then it went a little lower and then it came up here, and so it's like, if this is gonna hold, I'm gonna put my stop here, and it's just gonna go higher, and then we'll do the next tactic and just keep pushing it higher, and then I'll probably give it a little more wiggle room once we get away from this trend line. But as long as we're around this trend line, I just tell you guys, it's gonna get wild. Don't go with big positions, because it's we don't know where it really wants to go, as you can see, it hit it here and it failed it. So it's respecting it. Someone is seeing this angle. Everybody's probably noticing it through different fractal time frames and different ways of viewing the markets, the geometry. So if you could know if this respected it, this angle is very important. It just hit it right there on the dot. What was that? 32.80. So that's a strong level, and that's where we're at right now. 32.81. We're trying to stay above it, so we're piercing it. If we start losing Momo, this is another angle right here that it's going to be going. It probably could touch it, go all the way down. But as of right now, I got stopped out. I'm on the sidelines. I'm just watching, and I just wanted to make this real quick. Let's just look at. You can see the daily. See, this is where we at. And look, it's doing a wedge if you really look at it, because you got to deal with this angle that is having issues. And you could do like a 34, 14, 17. So I mean, I don't mind if it tippy toes and goes up, but once we get here, it's going to be the deciding factor. What's going to happen? We're going to do the tippy toe move. But if we're not going to do the tippy toe move, this thing could go, could go sideways. It could go either up, sideways, or down. That's pretty much it. Let's look real quick at the big picture. I'm going to try to do this video under 5 minutes because I know the US session is going to start. And you can see right now we got a cherry right there. The 5 just left the zoom mode and the 50 was never there. So the strength on the 12 hour is not really strong. And you can see already, well, I don't have my arrows set up, but you can see right here Fisher, it's already getting a nice little a bunch of arrows, looking like the cycle now looks like it just wants to turn. I mean, it could do a little choppy thing, go down and up and then go down like here. You know that it goes down, then it goes up, and then when it fails, then it goes really down, like Head and Shoulders right here too. So this 50 should hold, and if not, it's gonna look ugly. Could turn. So, and you're at the 50 right here at the percentage move, which is at 3280-ish level. So that's key level. You got the 50 there, simple moving average, and you got the 50 Fibonacci from the current swing right here. On here, you got on the daily, you got the 3316 as resistance. Can't get above that, but still positive. Well, kinda. You're kind of dancing now between this candle, the daily, so it looks like an inside day, and still looks like it wants to go up on the daily and on the 12-hour, but it's having some issues. And you hit the tip of the mobile on the weekly, so I knew that was going to be a resistance. Mobiles always work out, and you got the 500 simple moving average there as resistance also. But everything looks like it wants to push higher. The only thing I don't like is Fisher looking down, and the same thing here. So good trading today. I won't be here, trading the whole day. I'm just gonna probably catch the morning, maybe a little bit of the morning session. I gotta do some stuff and let's see what happens, man. Good trading to you guys. Peace.